I've been working for 4 years on robotics, and there are some problems with robots. They cannot operate for a long time. They cannot operate in every domain. They're either on the ground or flying, and that causes some problems. And I think the future is going to be robots, so that's why we started this. We wanted to make something that solves all those problems. So what we came up with is a robot that can roll on the ground and can also fly. What we achieved with rolling is that when you roll, you save up to 10 times more energy because you don't have to defy gravity. And when you reach an obstacle or somewhere you cannot go, you just start flying. And with those two combined, you can operate on every domain you want. And that's what we're proposing.
The nice thing about McGuire is you get an opportunity to really go all in, and you have all these mentors who are so selfless. They go out of their way to give back all their time and experience and, really almost hold our hand through the process and, give us all these tools to build a strong foundation for our business. And so they've been a huge part of our success and something we're very, very grateful for. Right now, we've spent the last 8 months sort of getting through our first major phase of our development, and that's getting a prototype ready so we can start field testing, getting feedback, iterating the design. So this money is actually going to help us complete that phase in the next 2 to 3 months, we expect, and start on our next major phase of 3, which is getting the MVP out and starting to test it.
I always had ideas of building things. I have a list full of ideas, and I think one thing that is important for everyone who wants to start something is don't be afraid. There's a lot of things you have to do. There's a lot of things that's going to be coming down the road, but I feel like if you just start it, when you're in it, you figure out things out, that would be the fantastic way to go forward. That's my suggestion.
Our first major sort of validation that we were on the right track was being picked up by NSF I-Corps as well as Tech Launch Arizona. And shortly after that, we were fortunate enough to win the iExpo Social Impact Award and Greatest of All Time Award. And then, of course, the IdeaFunding Young Entrepreneurs Prize, which is very, very awesome and great validation that we're doing the right thing, we're on the right track. We've talked to several companies in Germany, as well as one of the leading autonomy experts in robotics, and they're very interested in what we're doing. They think we're making great progress, and it's just great motivation to keep going and stay on the path that we're on. So if you're interested in learning more about our company, check us out at revolutrobotics.com. Our next steps for the project involve finding some new autonomy engineers, as well as getting this MVP designed and start working on that. So right now we're looking for support from the community in finding advisors, mentors, hard tech, and agriculture, as well as any connections to some great engineers or anyone else that's willing to share some guidance about how to take this to the next level.